Lamine Yamal making 8 appearances and 7 starts for Spain during their victorious 2026 FIFA World Cup campaign. Lamine Yamal scored 1 goal in the 2026 FIFA World Cup, and that goal he scored it against Saudi Arabia. And also he played 615 minutes in the 2026 World Cup. He has done well because not all the players in the tournament played that minutes.